to be looking at how to construct a Gantt chart. I thought I'd try the extra normal movie as well as my own voice. Let's see how it goes. We will start with a table that has a column for each day, and each row will represent an activity that needs to be scheduled. The next thing we need to do is to block out the days where no activities will take place. That means we're not going to be working at weekends or bank holidays, so we need to shade out those days as they are not working days. Our next step is to number the working days, starting from day 0. Remember that you are 0 years old when you are born, so we start from 0, not 1. We only need to number the working days as we have already blocked out the non-working days, weekends and bank holidays. Now we take each activity in turn and mark the row where the activity is represented, so that we start in the column for the date the activity starts and mark each working day that the activity runs. We can either skip the non-working days or show the activity running through the non-working days. The important thing to remember is that non-working days do not count towards the length of time an activity is running. When we are putting the activities in the Gantt chart, we have to take account of any constraints. For example, it might be that an activity cannot be split over a weekend, which means the activity might not be able to start until the following week. Another example of a constraint might be that an activity cannot start until a specific number of days after the previous activity is finished. This could be to allow the first coat of paint to dry before applying the next coat. We have to consider whether we need to take account of days or only working days. Paint can dry over the weekend. Other activities might have to wait for a number of working days, for example, for an application form to be processed.